What's up, guys? We are about to get out and do a little back road riding. Had to wait till a little later in the evening because it is hot. So we are going to do a little cruising. What y'all think, man? Got my new red wheels off a 24 Gsxr. It looks good. I am super happy about the little trade. So let's do this thing. I've ordered me a 2-up rear sprocket. I want to see, everybody says it's a lot more fun with a 2-up, even doing a 1 down in the front, you know, but I think I'm just going to do a 2-up in the back for right now. Turn this thing into a wheelie machine. I've actually even thought about stretching it out about 4 inches. Not much, but I don't want to take away from my wheelies, you know, and I know that wheel. The Zx6r is not hard to come up off the ground as far as wheelies, you know. It's definitely not like a 1000. 1000 is going to do it every time, through every gear. But a lot of people do change out their rear sprocket. And it ain't going to change the miles per hour. You might see 25 to 10 miles an hour difference, you know. It'll take away from your speed. Is 1,000, and that bike has got 80,000 miles on it and will still run like a new one. Charged both of my batteries a few nights ago on my GoPro, and this one is on 12%. I do not know what happened. I've got a setting or something in there, you know, I had it to where to do an auto upload. As soon as I plugged it up, it would automatically load my videos up to the cloud. Well, I took that off. I thought I did, and I don't know why, but I hope I've got another battery and I hope it's charged up. Battery goes dead, I apologize. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully this battery's got some use on it. Good news, my battery is at 100%, so it will make it this trip. I have no idea why my other battery did that. It went to 100%. I hadn't used it, so I don't know. This ain't the first time it's done it. It feels great out here right now. Kind of hate that I'm riding without my gear, which, you know, I'm kind of up and down with the gear. You know, yes, it is great to ride with gear. Protect safety. But, you know, you never know when anything will happen. You ain't out there cutting up if you ride these back roads like this, you know, you're keeping your distance, these cars, other bikers, then you good. You know, you should be okay. Not gonna say that 100%. You know, a deer could jump out, a bear, you know, anything like that. But as long as you are being cautious, then, you know, I don't get out here and act crazy. Or as I would say, wild and out. You got Brian 636, all them that's be cutting a This is my favorite loop when we ride. Nice shaded area. This is a little open, yeah, if you're gonna ride during the day, but at the time that we left, this is perfect. It don't get dark till about 8:30. By the time we get back to Brookhaven, it's gonna be just at dark, so it's perfect. Okay, so y'all saw the guy on the Gsxr 1000 earlier that done the wheelie. Like I said, that bike has got 80,000 miles on it. Y'all don't believe me, I will take a picture of his odometer. As a matter of fact, I will do a video, so y'all know that that is his bike. Alright, so here's the bike that was just doing 100 miles an hour on one wheel. 80,000 miles.
$70,000.
70,000 miles. So y'all take care of a bike, it's gonna last you. But as long as you take care of a motorcycle, a vehicle, whatever, you do all the oil changes, your services, and you're not hard on it, which these motorcycles are made to go hard, you know what I'm saying? So, but he took care of it. He has took care of it. He's been all up around Arizona on that bike, all over California. What the hell? Hold on. Get up, JoJo. Okay. Alright. I had to get that on video so I can get a good shot of everybody. Always fun with these guys, man. It don't matter if you own a little 250 or you own a 1400, you know, hey, you ride with us. You know, and Daniel kind of, he made a sacrifice. He got rid of his MT-07 and he went and bought a vehicle for his little business. He's got a he does like photo shoots, commercials, stuff like that, you know. An hour on one wheel. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this little loop. Y'all be safe this weekend. Keep the rubber side down. See y'all next time. Peace out. And again, y'all, I hope y'all liked this video. If y'all did, y'all hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe. Y'all don't cost a thing. Y'all stay tuned, keep watching me, because in the future I've got a 1000cc bike coming this way. So I'm trying to get my little collection up. Got a 600, I need a 1000. But I am shooting for the ZX10R. I even thought about an R1. Y'all be safe. Keep them two wheels down. at least you can do a good job on one. Y'all be safe.